beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and this video is about a skincare routine that you can follow for a beautiful flawless skin. The first step, I'm using coconut oil, massaging it on my face for 5 minutes. It is wonderful for our skin and is also very gentle to use around eyes and lips. A great makeup remover, so you can use cotton to wipe out the makeup, skipping that because I don't have any makeup on my face. Also remember, it is antibacterial and it stops the damage caused by free radicals. After 10 minutes, wash it off with a mild face wash. Just remember, never be harsh on your skin. So, after washing, when you're wiping your face, just dab dab dab. Now the next step. Here I am making a simple face mask using 2 tablespoons of curd and 1 tablespoon orange peel powder. Add water to make it thin and apply it on the face and neck for 20 minutes. Now you can make the orange peel at home or you can buy the ready-made ones. Go for trustable brands and the organic ones. Apply a generous amount of the face mask on your face and on your neck, and don't forget, keep it on for 20 minutes. Keep it on till it dries. This face mask is fabulous for soft and glowing skin. It also removes tan and actually makes the skin tight. The mask dries, wash it off using cold water and again dab dab dab. Finally, I am using aloe vera on my skin, a very fine layer of it. Aloe vera is again antibacterial and it works really good on acne breakouts. I do face a lot of acne breakouts, frequent ones, so the aloe vera really works fine for me. Keep the aloe vera on overnight and the next day morning the first thing you do is wash it off. Also, if you want, you may moisturize your face after that. This was a very light skincare routine, but yet I prefer doing it only once or twice a week, and I do the massaging and stuff very properly at night so that I don't have to go out after that, so my skin can rejuvenate over the night. Well, that was it for the video today, and thank you so much for watching so far. Do leave a thumbs up and comment your favorite skincare product down in the comments. Share this video with your friends and I hope to meet you on my Instagram. Love you, bye bye, and thanks again. Mwah.